condo, right, it's always living, dining, kitchen here, right? Then the bedrooms are all outside, right?
Yeah.
Then the corridor has this drop down. Why is it?
This one usually is to allow piping to go through. So in aircons, right, divided into blower and compressor, right? So all compressors will be located in the area facing outside,
Correct.
but the blower is inside. So when you have an internal room here, the blower is here, but where does the piping go through? So sometimes you have water piping, whatever lah. So all this will go through this area. So there are condos without it, but it will be damn hard to construct. Then another aesthetic reason also, like if you imagine if this is non-existent, the entire ratio between width and height will be damn weird. So imagine if this is all the way, right, then your door looks so weird. Like a very tall person like that. Yeah. So but the functional reason is actually just for piping to go through. Then let's see all the lightings all pointing inside. That's the whole reasoning of plaster ceiling also.
Yeah.
Once you have plaster ceiling, right, the pipings within the plaster ceiling can just chin-chai do. But when there's no plaster ceiling, everything needs to be in order to look tidy.